One day, a man went to the market. He walked slowly between the tables. There were apples, bananas, bread, milk, carrots, and many pumpkins. The pumpkins were big, small, round, orange, and heavy. The man looked and looked. Then he said to himself, "I want one pumpkin. A small one. Yes, a little pumpkin for Halloween." He paid the money and took the pumpkin home. At home, the man put the pumpkin on the table. He looked at it with a smile. The pumpkin was small, round, and bright orange. It was not heavy. It was not scary. It was simple and sweet. The man said, "Halloween is coming. I want to make a face. I want to cut the pumpkin. I want to put a candle inside. Then children will come to the door. They will say, 'Trick or treat.' They will see my pumpkin. It will be scary. Yes, very scary." The man was happy with his plan. He took a knife and looked at the pumpkin. He said, "Okay, I will cut here." But oh no! He cut in the wrong place. The mouth became big and round, not scary at all. It looked like a smile. The man said, "Oh no! Not scary. This looks funny." He tried again. He cut the eyes. He wanted scary eyes. But again he was wrong. The eyes were round and soft. The pumpkin now looked like it was laughing. The man was surprised. "Oh dear, this pumpkin is not scary. This pumpkin is cute," he said. Still he put a candle inside. He lit the candle. Now the pumpkin had a light inside. The face was bright. The pumpkin smiled. It was not a scary pumpkin. It was a happy pumpkin. The man looked and thought, "Maybe it is okay. Maybe the children will still like it." He opened the door and put the pumpkin outside. The pumpkin shined in the night. It looked very nice. The man waited. It was Halloween night. Children were walking on the street. They wore costumes: ghosts, cats, bats, witches, vampires. They laughed, they sang, they ran. The street was full of voices. The children came to the man's house. They saw the pumpkin. They stopped. They looked at it. "Wow," they said. "Look at the pumpkin. It is so funny. It is not scary." The pumpkin smiled. The candle shined. Then the pumpkin whispered, "Boo!" But the voice was not scary. The voice was small and soft. The children laughed. "Ha ha! Pumpkin, you are not scary. You are cute!" they shouted. The children knocked on the door. "Trick or treat," they said. The man gave them candy. The children smiled and looked again at the pumpkin. The pumpkin said softly, "Boo!" The children laughed more. They said, "Pumpkin, you are funny. You make us happy." The man looked at them and laughed too. More children came. A boy was a vampire. A girl was a ghost. One small child was a cat. They all saw the pumpkin, and they all laughed. Nobody was afraid. Everybody was happy. The man looked at the pumpkin and said, "Yes, you are not scary. You are sweet. You are my happy pumpkin." The pumpkin smiled again. The candle shined. The door was open. Children came and went. They all said hello to the pumpkin. They all laughed. The night grew longer. The moon was high and white. The sky was dark. The street was full of lights. The pumpkin still shined with its small candle. The man gave candy to many children. He heard many times, "Trick or treat," and many times, "Ha ha, pumpkin, you are funny." The man started to feel tired, but he was happy too. His pumpkin was not scary, but it made everyone smile. At last the street became quiet. The children went home. The man sat near the pumpkin. He said, "Pumpkin, thank you. You are not scary, but you are special. You make children laugh. You make me smile. You are my friend." The pumpkin answered softly, "Yes. I am small. I am happy. I am your pumpkin. Boo!" The man laughed loudly. "Ha ha! Good night, little pumpkin," he said. The candle still burned. The pumpkin still smiled. And the man and the pumpkin had a very happy Halloween together.